Pulse Talk, bringing insights into health and wellness with your hosts, Christine and Alex.
You know that feeling? That relentless, just bone-deep fatigue that never seems to let up. The kind you maybe tell yourself is, oh, it's just burnout, or I just need more sleep. But deep down, it feels like something else is going on, right? Like your internal battery is just stuck at 20%. Well, what if the answer isn't grabbing another coffee, but focusing on this tiny kind of powerhouse molecule called coenzyme Q10? Or CoQ10. It might be silently working or maybe not working inside your cells. So today we're doing a deep dive. We want to uncover why this critical nutrient might just be the missing piece in your energy puzzle, and how some, well, surprising things, maybe even your own DNA, could be messing with your levels. Okay, so let's really unpack this CoQ10 thing. What does it actually do? Fundamentally, it's all about energy creation. It lives inside your mitochondria.
Yeah, the powerhouses.
Exactly. Those little energy generators in nearly every single cell. You can sort of think of CoQ10 like the spark plug, maybe.
That's a decent analogy. It's maybe a bit more like a crucial shuttle bus, actually. It lives within the mitochondrial membrane, and its main job is to transport electrons. It's absolutely essential for that final stage of making ATP.
ATP, right. That's the body's main energy currency.
Precisely. So without enough CoQ10, that whole electron transport chain, it falters, it slows down, and your cells just can't generate enough energy. This is especially critical for organs that need a ton of energy.
Like the heart and the brain.
Exactly. Heart, brain, muscles.
Yeah.
They're incredibly demanding. So CoQ10 levels are vital for them. It's fundamental, really. And what's truly fascinating here is how personal this whole process is, how individual. We're learning so much through nutrigenomics.
That's the field looking at how our genes interact with nutrients, right?
Exactly. And it shows us that your DNA, your specific genetic code, can play a pretty big role in how well your body actually makes CoQ10, or even how well it uses it.
Yeah.
We see specific variations, SNPs in certain genes.
SNPs, like small changes in the DNA sequence.
Right. And these variations can subtly but significantly impair your body's ability to synthesize enough CoQ10 from scratch. Or they might affect how efficiently your mitochondria can transport it or utilize it once it's there.
Wow.
So for some individuals, that fatigue, the one that just won't go away, it might not just be lifestyle. It could literally be, well, written into their genetic blueprint.
Yeah.
They might just need more support.
Okay, that's mind-blowing. So it's not just feeling tired. It could be a literal power shortage at the cellular level, and some of us are just more prone to it. But what about things we introduce, factors outside our genes? Because here's where it gets really interesting, I think, for millions of people listening. Statins.
Ah, yes. Statin medications.
They're prescribed all the time to lower cholesterol. But there's this biochemical collision happening, isn't there?
There is. Statins work by blocking a key enzyme, HMG-CoA reductase.
Right.
Which is crucial for making cholesterol. But here's the catch. That is the exact same pathway your body uses to produce its own CoQ10.
The same one. So blocking one blocks the other.
Precisely. It's a shared pathway. So when you inhibit cholesterol synthesis with a statin, you inadvertently inhibit CoQ10 synthesis too. And this isn't just a minor thing. It's significant. It's why you often hear about those common side effects from statins.
Like the fatigue, the muscle aches, maybe some brain fog.
Exactly. It's not just in your head. It could very well be a direct consequence of this CoQ10 depletion. In fact, many guidelines now actually suggest CoQ10 supplementation for people taking statins, specifically because we know about this interference.
Okay.
So whether it's down to your genes affecting your natural production or to the medication you're taking, the end result could be the same. Your body might just be running low, running on fumes, essentially.
Running on a low battery, like we said at the start. Okay, so if you're listening and thinking, this sounds like me, now what does this all mean? What can you actually do? Well, the really good news here is that there are solutions, and they lean into this idea of personalized wellness. Understanding your own unique genetic makeup is key. Specialized nutrigenomic testing. It can actually show if your body struggles with making or using CoQ10 effectively.
That information is powerful.
It really is. And if testing shows there's an issue, or, if you're on a statin, then high-quality CoQ10 supplements can be a really effective step things like the ubiquinol form, which is often more easily absorbed.
Yes, bioavailability is key.
And getting guidance from someone like a pharmacist who understands this area, it means you're not just guessing, you're taking informed action. Action tailored to your body. And the result people report, they're often quite tangible. Not just more energy, like steady energy all day.
Less crashing in the afternoon.
Right. But also things like improved heart function markers, maybe better recovery after exercise, even feeling mentally sharper.
Which all makes sense, given where CoQ10 works. This really brings up an important question for everyone listening. What if feeling completely drained day after day isn't just burnout? What if it's not something you just have to push through or accept? What if it's biochemical, something tangible, and, crucially, something that might actually be fixable? It kind of challenges us to think, maybe my energy levels really are influenced by my genes or my medications. And it prompts you to reflect, doesn't it, on your own body's unique chemistry, and maybe, just maybe, how you can better support it.